Hey, what's up, everybody? Man, I was having problems with my freightliner cascadia. I always put the clutch in and it would just click over. And I always thought it was a starter. So I was like, man, what's going on? I went to go change my starter and already got it all done. And guess what? It wasn't. It was this little piece right here. The clutch pedal sensor. And every time I'm driving, sometimes my cruise control will come off. It'll pop off and I was like, man, this one come back on. Something about the sensor. Well, guess what? This clutch pedal sensor, every time it feels like it's going out, it will throw it off. So that sensor on the clutch pedal will cause the cruise control to come off. I don't know how, but it's all connected. You know, these new trucks. So now that I replaced it, it's a lot better now. Put the key, let it all recycle, boom, turn on right away. It doesn't click over. And I always thought, like, from old school, when it clicks over, it's from the starters. It's a little solenoid on top. No, it was this clutch sensor. That sensor right there, that little box, caused everything. It connects up there, you unhook it up there. There's 4 bolts on the other side, it pops off. It's like that. So here is the connection for the clutch sensor. So just unplug this right here and then there you go. There's 4 screws here. You just unconnect them, that one, this one, and the whole thing will fall forward. So when you remove it, it's right here, right where the screws at right there. It's I think a T56. You push it out, it shouldn't be tight.